Download the app library and start it directly, either on your Windows computer or directly on the server. Log in with your username and then select your target environment. First, navigate to the settings at the bottom right. Here you can see an excerpt of our guidelines that correspond to different distribution environments in your company. Many companies today have multiple environments: a classic MECM environment, an Intune environment, and sometimes a terminal server or VDI environment that run in parallel. Our packages automatically adapt to the respective environment. You set the configuration once here in the settings. First, select the distribution solution. You can choose from over 20 different products. You determine the name of the download and the name under which it is stored. It is also necessary to set the site, package directory, and site server. If you choose a different distribution solution, further information will be required. The app is divided into 5 areas. In the first area, you will find the Cluebiz packages that can be integrated into your environment. The second area contains packages created individually or specifically for your environment. The third area shows your internal distribution solution. All available updates are listed in the fourth area. The last section lists selected packages that can be integrated into your environment. Take a closer look at the packages. There is additional information for each package. The packages can be downloaded in various formats, and certain packages allow customization of specific parameters. You can also find more information about the package here. All our packages are subject to quality control. If they do not meet our quality guidelines, you will find a note here. System requirements, such as the need for Java for a package, are listed here. Here you can find safety-related information. We check our software packages for known security vulnerabilities and list them here so that you can decide how quickly you want to distribute the software package. Finally, the checksums of our files are also listed to ensure that the packages cannot be changed. So, let's get started. We now download the individual package for MECM to manually deploy it into our environment. Alternatively, several packages can be included in a list and then imported directly through the app. We receive a zip file, which we unpack on the server. We then import the software using this PowerShell script. After a few seconds, this is done, and we can view the imported package. All settings for the software have been made correctly, and the collections have already been created. The package is now ready for distribution. So that you know which software products you absolutely need to update, you can carry out a scan of your infrastructure. To do this, switch to the third area and start the scan. This scanner searches your local directory for packages and compares them with our database. This will give you a list of the packages you are using, and you can now import the necessary updates directly in the Updates section. Select all updates and switch to the last area. You can now import all updates using the Import button.